Welcome to Marti Academy. We provide high-quality, industry-relevant education, helping students excel through hands-on learning and real-world projects. About Marti Academy. Marti provides the opportunity to learn the skills and gain the confidence required for technical industry standards. Participants will have the opportunity to learn effective technical courses along with the real-time project implementation method. Marti's approaches to the technical skills training are extremely effective and participants will get a solid introduction to how and why this is so. By the end of this program, participants will have gained key skills, applied project-based methods in workplace scenarios, practiced coaching techniques, and explored emotional intelligence. At Marti, our program is designed not just to teach skills but to empower individuals with the knowledge, experience, and emotional intelligence required to excel in their careers and make a meaningful impact in their workplaces. About Nooran Ansari. Nooran Ansari has more than 15 years of IT technical experience working for various global MNCs. He has more than 15 years of experience in various major technology which managing large transformation programs for top clients across verticals such as banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, telecom and others. Nooran is a certified brand name with corporate leaders in terms of project development in various horizons. He also provides technical-led and training services. He is passionate about writing and motivational speech. His motto in life, making a positive difference with empowering people with knowledge. VBA and Macro Course Summary. This course covers both basic and advanced VBA, macro management, and macro express. It includes SDLC concepts, OOP programming, full VBA automation, and scripting. Learners explore integration with VB.NET, C#, and various applications. Key modules include web scraping, Outlook automation with HTML, and class module projects. The course introduces basic RPA with a real-life project and showcases AI tool integration, ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, with VBA. It also features comprehensive interview preparation with real questions from 200+ companies across Delhi NCR and globally, aimed at VBA job readiness. Let's discuss the course details in depth. This course introduces Excel macros and VBA, covering the difference between them, enabling the developer tab, recording and running macros, and using the VBA editor. It explores the Excel object model, application, workbook, worksheet, working with ranges, cells, data manipulation, formatting, and managing sheets, charts, and pivot tables. VBA basics include variables, data types, operators, control flow, if, then, else, select case, loops, procedures, functions, and debugging. The course also covers designing user forms with controls like text boxes, buttons, and labels, along with event-driven programming, user input validation, and handling form events. Learn error handling, debugging techniques, and working with external data and files in VBA. Automate data imports, manage CSVs, create add-ins, and integrate with Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Master advanced techniques like class modules, collections, file operations, and performance optimization. Build automated reports, dynamic dashboards, and custom reporting tools for efficient data analysis. Learn real-world VBA applications like automating data entry, workflows, and scheduling macros. Automate Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Access tasks. Use Odoo, DAO, and Windows APIs for advanced functionality. Master best practices for clean, efficient, and secure VBA code. Customize Excel with ribbons, toolbars, menus, buttons, shortcuts, and dynamic add-ins. Learn arrays, dynamic arrays, collections, and dictionaries for efficient data processing. Add data validation, custom error messages, and advanced error handling in VBA. Create user-defined functions, UDFs, and reusable custom worksheet functions. Master VBA security by protecting code, locking macros, using digital signatures, and managing workbook and worksheet passwords. Master Outlook automation and user form development in VBA. Learn to automate emails, appointments, and tasks, and design interactive user forms with controls like text boxes, buttons, and drop-downs for efficient data input and workflow automation. Learn to use the File System Object, FSO, in VBA for managing files, folders, and drives. Apply FSO skills in a real-time project to automate file operations and streamline data management tasks. Learn to connect applications with SQL Server using MS Access, link tables, ODBC, pass-through queries, VB.NET, and CHASH through Odoo.NET for seamless database interaction. Master VBA integration with SQL Server to automate queries and data handling in Excel using Odoo or DAO. Build skills in automating data exchange across platforms for efficient workflow management. Meet our expert team, ready to provide top-notch technical support and guidance for all your needs. Feel free to visit our institute for in-depth information, personalized one-on-one discussions, and tailored guidance. Our team is available to assist you with any questions or details you need to enhance your learning experience and ensure success. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos and information. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please visit the provided website. You are also welcome to visit the institute for one-on-one discussions.